everyone, and welcome. Today, we will be talking about different concepts. We will talk about marketing, marketing mix, and advertising. First, we can say that marketing is, in many ways, the central activity in business management and commercial organizations. Marketing is everybody's business. Now, what defines marketing? According to American Marketing Association, marketing is an organizational function and a set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationships in ways that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. And here are some definitions of marketing. First, it refers to everything a company does to influence demand for its products and services, or it refers selling things that don't come back to people who do. Or we can say it includes promoting and selling goods and services. Now, what is marketing mix? It is a combination of factors that can be controlled by a company to influence consumers to purchase its products. The marketing mix refers to the set of actions or tactics the company uses to promote its brand or product in the market. The four P's make up a typical marketing mix, which include price, product, promotion, and the place. As I mentioned earlier, the four P's of marketing include price, place, promotion, and product. We can say that the four P's of marketing are now the seven P's because of the increasing importance of services and customer service. Let's start with the traditional four P's, which are first, product, which refers to the goods or services a company provides. Next, price, which includes decisions about what customers pay for the product. Next, we have a place, and we can say it involves things concerned with location and distribution. And lastly, promotion, which refers to ways to make the company and its products well known and ways to sell products. The last factor refers to advertising. As we said, there are seven P's, and here are three more. We have people. We can say that everyone involved with the company and its products, especially the customers. Next, process, which involves all the ways in which the company and its customers interact. And lastly, physical evidence, which includes anything that shows or mentions the name and the image of the company and its products. Four P's of marketing we already spoke about. They are usually combined to make a successful marketing strategy. We also going to talk about advertising in this presentation. So what is advertising? What does it mean? And what are the types of advertisements? In defining advertising, we can say it is the business of trying to persuade people to buy products or services, or it refers to the industry involved with making a product or services known about and persuading people to buy them. Let's talk about the different types of advertisements. First, print advertising, which refers to, or for instance, newspapers, magazines, brochures, advertisements, etc. Then we have broadcast advertising. In this type, we have television and radio advertisements. Moreover, we have outdoor advertising, and in this type, we have examples of, for instance, hoardings, banners, flags, and wraps, etc. Then digital advertising, we can say it refers to advertisements displayed over the internet and digital devices. In this presentation, we will be talking about present continuous. We usually use the present continuous in order to say that we are in the middle of the action. For example, I'm reading a book. These are the main uses of the present continuous. First, we use the present continuous to talk about events which are in progress at the time of speaking. For example, she is pressing the button, but nothing is happening. Or we can use it to talk about temporary states which are true around the moment of speaking. Here is another example. Who is looking after the children while you are here? We also use the present continuous to describe actions which are repeated or regular but which we believe to be temporary. For example, she is working a lot in London at the moment, which means she doesn't usually work in London. We can use it to talk about a gradual change. Here an example, they are building a new stand at the football ground. Now, the most important thing we should know that when we use present continuous and when we use present simple. First, the present continuous can be used for something happening now. Example, it's raining at the moment. However, we use the present simple for repeated actions. For example, I watch television most weekends. Furthermore, state verbs cannot usually be continuous. Example, the farmer is owning the land. The correct one is the farmer owns the land. Another example, she is liking pizza. The correct one, she likes pizza. And we normally use the present simple to talk about thoughts, beliefs, opinions, and feelings. Example, I think it's a good program, or Kitty likes her job.